an update on since that last trade that I just posted with the Dow 15-minute bars, which was down there, and you'll see the video on the Telegram channel, the earlier one. Well, it's now dropped significantly, so we are even more in the money, which is great. And you can see that we're fairly confident it'll stay the case because multiple indicators are showing that. So as I said, with the pipspredator.com indicator, that short remains in place, very much so on that bar. And if you want to continue seeing these, I don't post every single trade as it happens because there's too many signals to go out there, but we are trying to move towards that and find some way of, otherwise I'll be stuck at my screen all day, and that's not what I do. But what I would suggest you do is just, if you want notifications and alerts, then make sure that your phone is set so that on the Telegram channel you get a ping. Okay, that's one. And of course, the indicator itself can alert you, but we give pick of the picks, as it were. We're going to continue monitoring this, not just for this signal and whenever this exits, but also the next signal along. So if you're waiting for, Alpesh, what's the next trade going to be? Well, it's going to be in the Dow, and it's going to be in the 15-minute bars, and it's going to be the one after this. And sometimes people ask me, okay, but how do we know when to get out? Don't forget, I've done separate videos on the Telegram channel and elsewhere on pipspredator.com about the having a trailing stop loss stepped. So when the price moves lower, the trailing stop loss moves lower as well, okay? And the red dotted line, don't forget, is where we double down on our position. That allows us to use a very good hedge fund trick, which is to start small, knowing we're going to double down once we've got some profits, so we're risking profits, not capital, and we've got double the size position going down. This is continuing to fall. I think the market's going to be very happy now that it's gone off 2,900, as I said in the previous video to this, so you can see the follow through in the trade. So thank you all very much. And I'll try and give another update on this. I don't want to stay in the office too long and constantly, but I'll try and give another update on this. So as you can see, I'm already losing my hair. I don't need to be working longer hours than this. I'll get somebody in the team to monitor this, but I'll try and do another video if I'm still at my desk shortly. Okay, no date night for wife.